Oh yeah, check out tonight's meal, folks. My goodness, chopped up some fresh veggies. Coming in here with half a kilo of pork, ground pork, put some garlic in there. I think it's spaghetti tonight. I'm gonna try this McCormick's spaghetti sauce. Got this thing fired up right here to throw some noodles in. And just a quick spaghetti tonight. Kuya had a cart with some hay in it. Had about 6 watermelons left. I'll pick that up for about 130 pesos. Just say, 260, 275. Just a few other little vegetables today for my trip to the market. Look at that. Now, folks, that is maximizing your energy right there. Just go ahead and heating up my water. Stacking it on top of the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. That's made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. That's made by the good folks in Korea, and that's probably Chinese all the way. But that's how you maximize, if you're out camping or whatever. Why just let this thing sit here without something on top of it? Maximizing your energy. Got a little bit of water in there. That's about 2/3 cup of water. I'm gonna come in here with the spaghetti sauce. Oh yeah. Start stirring that up and see what we got. Folks, I don't have tomato sauce, but I'll go in here with just a little bit of ketchup. Fatima's over there protesting and she has no idea how to make spaghetti. It's gonna be delicious. You got one option, baby. That's to love it. One. Two. Ah, look at that. Ooh. Look at that slice. The coconut chopper comes through and puts it on the ground. It's like a quart of blood technique, my friends. Just drop a quart of blood. Gotta wipe the blood of that watermelon off of that coconut chopper. That coconut chopper made quick work of that watermelon. Hell yeah. Those noodles are perfect. They're absolutely perfect. Gordon motherfucking Ramsay can't make noodles better than me. There's no fucking way. Put them on Forrest G's plate. Get a big old healthy portion for wife number one, because I like that girl to eat healthy. Whoo! This dude over here. Come back in with the spoon, give it a little stir. Oh yeah. That fucking chopper up there. Where is it? Ah, that's what the dog is after. Folks, I'm coming in here. Just take a look at that right over the top of that bed of noodles. I'm trying to synchronize the action with the videography here. Let me get Forrest G. Big old scoop of that sauce coming on there. Oh yeah, that young man is going to love Papa Spaghetti. My spaghetti is definitely Forrest G approved. How is it?
Yeah, delicious.
It's delicious? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice, big, not spoon, fork full of noodles. Let's do it. Mmm. That's good. That's pretty damn good. It's got a different vibe to it. I'm gonna tell you why. I didn't have no tomato sauce. But you know what? I like to take lemons and make lemonade, and I make the best out of any situation. I had 2 cans of Rotel tomatoes, but I thought it might be too spicy for the old lady in Forrest G, so I didn't put it in there. So this is spaghetti without tomato sauce, but I think it's pretty damn good. Next time I'll get some tomato sauce. If you're not a subscriber on our channel, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that Overstay Road sign and ring that bell. Yo, Adrian. Who's that ringing that bell? It's me, Rocky. Yo, Adrian. I'm gonna change your name to Adrian, baby. You wanna be Adrian, I'll be Rocky? You know who Rocky is? He's a friend of Bingo's and Romeo.